Hi there, handbaggers, and welcome to the Duck's Nest. This is the Military Mom coming to you this morning from the Operations Center. And in this video, I want to share with you the bag of the week and a small unboxing. So I am on my way to church this morning, and I spent some time last night figuring out what I was going to wear, pairing it with the jewelry, and of course, the handbag. And let me tell you, this sundress was easy and quick to pull out. The jewelry was a little bit more intense, but let me tell you, the handbag took the longest. So let me just share with you the bags that I considered and then the bag that I ended up packing for church this morning. So the first bag I think I looked at is this one, because it picks up the color of the flowers in this sundress, but I decided not to go with this one. The next bag that I picked up was this one because it is so summery. I wanted to carry it because the leaves will be turning soon and it will be getting cool. So I wanted to get this in as much as I can, but I don't know, something about this just, the feng shui just wasn't working. So I tossed this one aside. And I looked at this. I didn't decide on this because the color added a little something, I thought, to the outfit. But with all the hatchlings that I have had recently, my inner voice was telling me, do not carry a bag that you've already carried. Do not carry a bag that has been in the nest for a while. Carry a new bag. So even though this is technically a new bag, I have not carried this bag. I decided to carry this one. This, of course, is my Coach Dreamer color blocked whip stitched bag. And let me just show you how I have her packed. So, in this exterior pocket, we have the elephants and the mastodons that hold my cell phone. In this exterior pocket, I have a scarf. I am wearing a sundress, but just in case it gets a little chilly in service, I am going to carry this scarf to just throw over my shoulder because I don't really want to wear a sweater. It's too hot. So I have that in the exterior pocket, and I'm going to put it back or I will forget it and be freezing in church. All right, so here is the main compartment. And you guys, nothing that, you haven't already seen. This, of course. And the cosmetic case that I decided to carry is a new one as well. I hope that's coming across in the lighting. And other than my keys, that's pretty much it. As you all who follow my channel know, and those who drop by occasionally, I don't carry a lot, which is why I trend to medium to small bags, especially in the summer. So this is the bag that I'm carrying to church this morning. And the perfume that I am wearing is in this bottle. And those of you who know may recognize that this is, can you all see that? It's Euphoria by Calvin Klein. This is the perfume that I have dedicated to the Lord. I only wear this on Sunday when I'm going to church or Wednesday night when I go to Bible study. So this is a dedicated fragrance. And now I think we can move on to the unboxing. So you all know where this came from. And based on Dooney Addict 615's live on Saturday the 14th, let me tell you, eBay is boxing better than Dooney and Burke. So what have we here? We have a Coach item, as you probably could tell from, I don't know if I'm going to put the name in the title, but it is a Coach item. It is a 1941 piece, and the seller like put a very small piece of bubble wrap, so there was no weather protection for this item. And this is my quilted Dinky in the color Primrose, and she has dark pewter hardware. She is an all leather bag. She has the kiss lock, and she has the leather and chain strap that is detachable, so I could carry her as a wallet if I chose to. So there is the strap, and then here is her. She was new with tags. Here is her, I don't know if you can see that. The MSRP is actually covered up, so not sure if that's going to come across, but I'll put the information in the description box below. So front slip, and then main compartment, and then the kiss lock or French purse that has the care instructions, the care booklets, of course. And these are the rings for that strap that I showed you. So that is my small unboxing, which this bag actually would have gone with the outfit that I have. And I would have loved to have carried her, but she will not accommodate a cosmetic case. So I tend not to carry my really, really small bags to church because I do like to carry a cosmetic case. So I think that is all that I have for you all this morning. I'm looking around to make sure I haven't forgotten anything. And yeah, all right. So thank you so much for dropping by the Duck's Nest. And as always, happy caring.